Strengthening exercises for leaner legs. Plié leg lift. Stand with feet slightly wider than shoulder distance apart and toes turned out. Bend knees and lower torso into a plie while keeping your back straight. B. Squeeze your glutes and inner thighs and come to standing while lifting one leg out to the side. This works the outer thigh muscles. Then return to your plie and repeat on the other side. Perform 15 reps on each side. Releve. Plié A. Stand with feet slightly wider than shoulder distance apart, toes turned out, and lift your heels into releve. B. Bend at the knees, lowering torso, keeping your back straight, and abs tight. Squeeze glutes and straighten legs to return to starting position. Perform 15 reps. Leg lift. A. Start on all fours with one leg extended long on mat. B. Lift the extended leg up towards the ceiling, engaging the hamstrings and glutes, then lower to the floor. Perform 15 reps on each side. Fire hydrant. A. Begin on all fours. B. Using the outer thigh muscles and glutes, lift one knee out and up, keeping your knee bent at a 90-degree angle. Lower your leg and repeat. Perform 15 reps on each side. Single leg hamstring bridge. A. Lie on back with bent knees hip distance apart, and feet flat on mat stacked under the knees. Extend one leg long towards the ceiling. B. Squeeze glutes and lift hips off the mat into a bridge. Lower and lift the hips, then repeat on other side. Perform 15 reps on each side.